I'm making the ultimate comfort food, or at least in my opinion, it's the ultimate comfort food, which is Vietnamese stir-fry macaroni with beef. I know that sounds weird, but it's saucy, it's savory, and it's the perfect East meets West. So let's begin. I got 2 pounds of beef tenderloin here, cut into 1-inch cubes. You can certainly use ribeye if you like, or any other cut of beef. Then chop up some garlic and then marinate the beef with garlic, mushroom powder, kosher salt, black pepper, maji or soy sauce if you don't have maji, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Toss it well so every piece is coated. This is what makes the beef so flavorful. Next, prepare the ingredients for the sauce, which consist of 2 green onions, chopped, separating the white and the green part. Then you want 4 garlic cloves that you're just going to smash. Then a small onion sliced, along with 4 tomatoes that are quartered. Tomatoes are really big, then you want to cut them into eighths. I think a lot of us Vietnamese remember as a kid coming home from school and having this as our snack. Certainly, I didn't have it with beef tenderloin, so I really upped my game this time. Boil your macaroni until it's al dente, then drain it and toss it with olive oil so it doesn't stick. And it's now ready for the stir fry. In a hot pan, I'm melting butter with a little bit of oil, then adding the whites of the green onions. Now the beef goes in, coated in the butter, and then leave it untouched. That's the secret to getting a beautiful golden crust. Once both sides are seared, take the beef out, but keep all those delicious juices in the pan. In the same pan, fry up your garlic and onions until fragrant. Goes the pasta, then the tomato paste. Add a little bit of sugar, ketchup. Toss everything together so the pasta is coated in that glossy sauce. Now add the fresh tomatoes, the beef, and all of its juices. Stir fry for about 5 more minutes. Keep tossing so nothing sticks to the pan. Garnish with chopped green onions. It looks and smells so amazing. I wish you can taste it. I almost feel like I need to eat it with a spoon because it's so good. I just want to scoop it up. It's so hearty. It's so flavorful. It's literally Vietnamese comfort food at its best. You gotta try this at home.